Oh, right, everything's fitted. Getting ready for a big switch on. See what happens. What I've had to do is put some white diesel in because I couldn't get any red. Right, so the controller, I haven't put the fuse in yet. I did yesterday, but I didn't know what to do, so I had to go on YouTube last night and get it sorted. Right, that's there. As you know, the pump is underneath there, so we'll see what happens. Right, so it's in with the fuse. 15 amp fuse. Right, I think I'm gonna have to shut this blind. Can't see a damn thing. After watching YouTube last night, you press the settings and that takes you to the clock, and you set the clock. So there, look, that flashes. What time is it, Sandra?
10 past 1.
10 past 1?
Yeah.
So what's that, 13 in it? Right, so it's 10 past 1. What's happened again? Right, so 1, press OK. On that to 3, which is 13 o'clock. OK. 15. OK. There, so that's the time. So I forgot what to do now. Press OK. Right, that's your timer, you know, for your machine to come on and off, which we don't want. So you press the OK, that's 2, OK. That should go off. That there is your password or something. Well, that should go off. There. Right, now, right, what you have to do now is what they call a status check. What you do, you press OK once. That's the temperature in the room now, or where the heater is, obviously, 24. Right, and then when you press OK again, I don't know what that is. Now press OK again. This asks you what temperature you want to go to. I don't get it. To do a status, you press OK. That apparently is the ambient room temperature. Then press OK again, and it's something to do, but it says P4.3. I don't understand that. HZ. I don't know what that is. That's your battery, obviously. Right. There's no error. Press again to take you back to the clock. Right. Right, now what you have to do is prime. Right. Hold OK and the down arrow. Right, for your priming, you press OK. Like that, and then right, that's off. So what you want to do now is turn it on. There. Can you hear pump? I've got my diesel tank here. Right, this is going to take a long time, so I'll come back when it's done. Right, I didn't bloody film it. There's something wrong somewhere. It's obviously blowing out. Very warm air. It's the smoke. It's supposed to clear. State of it. Oh, it's actually clearing a bit now. Earlier on it was really bad. I mean, bad. It might be because I'm using white diesel. Ah, it's clearing now, isn't it? I'm getting a bit worried then. You were amazingly bad. Oh, God, it stinks. Right, just making sure there's no leaks, etc. I'll be honest with you, I didn't like that smoke. Hope it's going to be like that all the time. Can you imagine on the side? Bloody hell, it's warm in here. That is toasty hot. In fact, it's too fucking hot. Should be able to turn it down, shouldn't I? Right. As you can see, it's on full. There. Hey! We've got 8. Not that I need it this weather, but right, and there you have it then, people. I'm going to put this face back on, this cover, and I'll show you what it's like. Before all you purists notice, that is a lot lighter than that. That's that Fablon sticky stuff. I just made it. I had some knocking trim left. Oh yeah, I've done that. Knocked in all the trim. Anyway, back to the heater. So, well done. Just got to tidy these wires up. I'm just going to table wrap. Cable tie. Cable. Yeah, you know what I mean, don't you? Cable ties. Right, so that's it. I'm going to give it another fire up. I'm still not sure how to do it. I think you just press OK, don't you? Yeah. Oh, fan's going. Got to wait for a pump there. There we go. There's the pump. It's very faint. Right, I'm going to see on the smoke situation. It's like I say earlier. Good God. Here we go. Cleared. Pump's going faster now. Just want to see how loud it is with that. It's loud, isn't it? You know what outlet? There. There. Full. Right, so there we have it.